Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So I've been checking out this Voxpree M30 Percussion Massager. Really cool massage gun. Kind of looks like an impact wrench almost if you first look at it. So it does have rechargeable battery built into it. So it comes with the charger itself. You can charge it up and use it. And this thing is really, really awesome. It comes with... Gotta turn it off first. Let's see. So if you didn't see the unboxing video, it does come with a lot of really cool things. Not only a little carrying case, which is awesome, you got your instruction manual, as well as all these different accessories that go into the percussion end of it, depending on what you want to do and the different areas that you need to massage. Now with these different functions, you got some really awesome speeds. You got something that's pretty slow, and this is almost like a foam ball. So this is great all over. And let me just tell you, let me see if I can show you right here. I mean, this is just on my leg. If I show you here, kind of get you an idea. Get an idea of what it's doing to my leg right there. But if you put this on your back or something, it feels really great. You can see the different speeds. And these, a lot of chiropractors and different doctors will use these percussion massagers to really loosen up some muscle areas. So if you're at sports or just have, aching back, stuff like that, might be great. And I think that's the fastest function right there. So that hurts a little bit on the leg area. But, if you use it on your back, obviously you're not going to do it. I mean, you can kind of do it, but if you have someone do it for you, the biggest thing is just remember, don't put it right on a bone because that's probably going to hurt. So watch the shoulder blades. But overall, really, really awesome. Well built, nice looking design to it as well. So let me just do that again. And then if I take that top off, so you'll see the top comes right off, give you an idea of some of these other ones. So that one kind of looks a little scary, but I believe that's for almost, if I can do it to myself here, right there for the shoulder blade. Kind of hard to do it to yourself, so you really need someone else to do it for you, unless you have no other option. Oh, that feels great. But that one kind of just wraps around the shoulder and kind of can really help loosen it up. And you're going to want to find, what's that, what speed setting really works for you and what you need to loosen up. But this is really great. Awesome. If you don't have one of these massage guns, these percussion massage guns, I'm seeing them more and more. Highly recommended. So let me go ahead, just see it right there. And this is the Voxpree M30. So if I just look at the manual real quick, it does talk about the different settings as far as the RPM. So it says it can go anywhere from 1500 RPM up to 3200. 1200 RPM up to 3200 RPM, and we'll tell you the different battery indicators. And then we have the different heads, like I showed you before. So it comes with the ball head. It says for large muscle groups like the quads, glutes, or extreme soreness, and it does have a little bit of give and foam feel to it, which is nice. You got that Y-shaped head for neck, spinal, and calves, so you can use that there. So that was good, like where you do the Vulcan death pinch, right there, that area. You got a flat head. I know, not nice, right? Flat head for general applications, relax your whole body muscles. So just going to pound the different areas, as well as a bullet head, which is applied to strike the deep tissue joints like the wrist and things. So this one, you're probably going to want to go pretty slow with this because you don't want to hurt yourself, and it could potentially not hurt you, but it could feel uncomfortable, so you're going to want to figure that out. You also have a flat metal head for general applications, relax your whole body. This actually says female and skin sensitive users. This is what it's good for. Now it says metal. I guess it's metal. Feels plastic to me, but we'll see. And then you have a semi-circle metal head applied to strike the deep joint tissues, wrist, etc. Also good for female and skin-sensitive users. So really, really awesome. I want to go ahead and actually show you one of the other ones here. And they just pull right out. So we have this flathead one here. So just do something like that. Really cool. And then if I go ahead, try that again. depending on where you need it. But I mean, I've used a lot of these, mostly the ball one because I like the foam feel to it, and that works really great on like the lower back area, as well as this one for up near the shoulder. I haven't tried the one that they recommended for the wrist, this one here. So let's go ahead and do that. Goes right in. If you do it on slow, it's not bad. You're going to want to watch the bones because that will hurt, like that just did. I can see if you've been doing a lot of work outside or something like that, picking up a lot of things, probably could be pretty good. Again, don't do it on the bone, probably not the best that side. So you're going to have to find out which ones really work for you. But overall, really, really excited and happy how well this really works. So again, if you have, soreness or you're doing a lot of sports and things like that, I think this is really something great to just have around. Probably a little bit too big to keep in your gym bag, but for when you get home, I think this is something really, really awesome, this percussion massager. So this is the Voxpree M30 Percussion Massage Gun. Comes with that whole kit that I showed you. And honestly, if you want to pick it up, check the link below. We'll follow up a few months later, let you know how everything's running with it with our review rewinds. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do. And we'll see you soon.